I knock them out.
My name is Peter Gallagher.
My name is Pat Gotchick.
Pat and I grew up around the corner from each other.
I moved into the Forest Park neighborhood in 3rd grade.
Grew up in Springfield, starting a business here. You know, we thought it'd be an opportunity to kind of give back to the community and really build something great.
Indica and sativa, and then together it stands for a hybrid. So we had a firm suggested name years before I joined, and that's what it means. We don't spend a lot of time telling people, we just sort of run with it. INSA is simply about the craftsmanship that goes into growing the best cannabis and then making the best products, whether that product is flower, whether that product is pre-rolls, edibles. It really comes down to the craftsmanship we put into it, and we will never let anything go out unless it's the best. And we have that pride and we have that passion in all of our employees.
Now I have the shells that are going to be the carrier for my peanut butter syrup.
Easthampton is also where you'll find master chocolatier and director of manufacturing Julian Rose.
I mean, extremely proud. We get comments every week of people are asking, why is your chocolate so good? Why is it so good? Why is it so flavorful? So I think it drives back to the quality. So we buy very, very high-end chocolate. There's some of the chocolates we use, confectioners can't afford them because they're that expensive. They're super high quality. So I can source from those companies because I know them. I can source really high quality products and make outstanding chocolates that are at par with European shops, you know. And the science now, the science is marrying into craft, artisan, high quality, and the customers are not stupid. They know and they taste quality, and that's what brings you back. And in my mind, there's only one way of looking at it. It's like, if I do an outstanding bar, but nobody buys it, what's the point? So my goal is that they come back the second day and the third day and the fourth day. They need to come back. So it's a hook. You need to get the hook first and hook hard.
While the edibles continue to get rave reviews in various competitions, it's their new Springfield location right up the street from the Basketball Hall of Fame that makes INSA a dispensary destination.
One of the coolest things about the INSA adult use dispensary in Springfield is this interactive flower table that's designed so that you can actually smell the product without touching it. And not only that, but it's going to tell you what kind of product it is. So this is a melonade, and look, check it out. It's not smell-o-vision, but it sure does smell good. And it will also tell you that it has the amount of 10 to 20% THC, less than 1% CBD, so it's not a product for me. Terpenes, I'm not going to start pronouncing these terpenes, but it's known for energetic, uplifting, and happy. It's melonade, and it tastes like summer.
The experience is one of, there's no pressure. There's just learning, and then if you choose to purchase, you choose to purchase. And so that's what we're trying to bring to the industry. The most popular product by far is flower. And buying it in bud format. And then second most is pre-roll. And I really think that's what people are most comfortable with. But as the industry evolves and people learn about other forms of consuming cannabis, the flower may reduce. But today it's flower, and how do we keep it in stock? It's super difficult. I never thought I'd be working for a cannabis company, number one. And I never thought cannabis would get to this point of being accepted and people wanting to learn. But the process of educating is just the key to set us free. The more we can educate, the more we will grow, the more we will prosper, and the more people that will be helped. It's a simple formula that isn't always simple to do.
Education, community outreach, a commitment to quality, and assortment of product sets INSA apart from other dispensaries. The business culture is not unlike many other successful businesses, but it's obvious to anyone who enters INSA.
Hey, welcome to INSA. Can I have your ID, please?
This company reflects the local roots of their founders, Pat and Peter, two local friends now producing some of the best services, products, and cannabis in Massachusetts. For the Bud Crawl on PCM TV, I'm Jimmy Young from Pro Cannabis Media.